Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by. Um, Here we go with another acrylic background painting that I'm doing. This is a 20 by 20 canvas, and I am starting off with a base coat of my custom color I mixed up, which is sort of similar to a raw umber or a, no, I can't remember what I mixed in there. There's some gold in there. A raw, oh, it's like a raw sienna. Anyway, I poured on a whole bunch of different colors. I had a painting a while ago. I think there's a video on this in my other videos of the eagles that I did, and I wanted to make sort of a complementary painting for that. So I'm just creating a background that I can paint on a little later for similar to the colors in that other one, in the other painting. So there's quite a few different colors in here. There's your off-white, so it's a cream, custom mixed cream, black, silver. There's some copper in there, some gold, some white. Very earth tone colors, and I don't make note of what I'm really using. I just grab what I think I need. That there is a raw sienna. There's some black and some white, and all I'm trying to do is create a background where it gets to the point where I want to let it dry, and then I know that it's good to go for me to start working on and painting something into it. So this painting, or this part of the painting, goes on for quite a while. I mean, I really work this painting to death as far as getting the color situated where I want it, because I have an idea of what I want to paint into it. Like I say, the other painting were eagles. So I get it to where I want it, and then I start researching for reference photos and deciding from many reference photos that I print out what I want to do with it. So that in itself is quite a task. All right, so I'm just going to let you keep watching. And again, this goes on for quite a while. And then at the very end, um, I'll, um, I'll tune in, but it gets to the point where it's dried. And then, of course, there's a few photos of what I'm working on to show you how it got to where it became what it is. And there's always lots of ugly stages in a person's painting. So I show a few of those, and then my final result, and which I'm happy with. And now it's all done, and it just needs the varnishing. So I'll let you keep watching and see how I got there. Again, thanks for stopping by. Hope you're well, and turn on some music for yourself and enjoy the video. Thanks. Well, here we are. We are going to now let it dry. I've got it to a point where I like it enough where I can let it dry, and then I always know that I can go back and remove and take out to what I don't want to be there. So that is actually the orientation right in that spot, and here we are. We started painting. My nose is all out of joint there on that owl, so that's just a roughed in stage. That is what I refer to as my ugly stage. I worked on that nose or beak for so long, but here we are. Yeah, this is the end of the painting actually. I don't record all the work because it's hours and hours and hours of work. Um, I mean, probably 2, 3 hours alone in a sitting that I tried to work on the eyes and nose and beak. So, yeah, it's a lot, and I just don't have the time for all the camera setup and everything else, and I don't really want to look at my videos as tutorials. I just want them to be for enjoyment and for people to see where you can take a paint poured background too, and this is what I've done with it. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I've enjoyed doing this, and I think I'll be putting this in an art show. So thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.